Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video you join me driving back from the Great Northern Classics in Derby in KARR, and we're heading back to the Flag Foundation for Law and Government, that is, for those that don't know. We're heading back to Flag so we can do some more repair work on the car. We've got the switch pods, which you can just about see in the video there, which need fitting back in, which were recently repaired. We have a headlight plug that needs repairing, and we have a few other little jobs as well. So sit back, relax and join me as we do some remedial work repairing KARR. And first job for the day is to fit these switch pods. So you would have seen hopefully on one of our recent videos we repaired this set of switch pods. I'm just showing you again around the switch pods themselves, and we need to get these fitted back into the car. Okay, so as you can see we've got a zip tie here that we need to put the wires through and tie them back, and we've got the plug there which we need to connect to the plug in the car. And here's a picture of the zip tie holding the wires back and the plug connected to the switch pods in the car. And we have the electronics just poking through the fiberglass switch pods themselves, showing how that looks without the overlay. And taking a look from the back, we can see how they fit into the fiberglass switch pods, and now the overlay is just fitted over the switches. And if we take a look from the back, you can see there how we use the nuts and little fiber washers to hold those on. And now let's move under the hood and get on with some other jobs. Right then guys, we've got the battery on charge, and another little job to do today was to replace down here the plug that goes onto the back of the headlight bulb, because it was corroded internally. So we've cut the wires to different lengths, we've matched them on the new plug, and we're now going to strip these wires back, and then we're going to be using some solder and heat shrink, and then we'll cover them over with some black tape so it looks nice and neat. Let's go ahead and get that done. So here in the first picture you can see we've wound the wires together on the blue wire, and the next stage there was to put some solder on the blue wire. I've then slid some green heat shrink over that and shrunk that to give some insulation to the wire. So you can see there with the blue wire we wound the wires together, we put some solder across, then we put the green smaller heat shrink on for the first layer of protection, and then the thicker blue layer there for a second layer, so there's no way that should short across at any point. We're now going to go ahead and connect the red and the yellow wire in the same way. And there we have it, guys. All soldered up nice and neatly. I didn't have any yellow heat shrink, so we've used black over that one. So I'll just pop this plug now neatly back onto the headlight. I'll try and get under there to show you. Just underneath there. Just there. I'll go ahead and get that popped on. And there you have it, guys. A nicely repaired headlight plug on the Trans Am with some nice new wiring harness tape around there just to neaten it up. Hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. If you have, please do like and subscribe, and of course remember to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. I've been Steve, this has been Knights of England. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next. Ta-ra for now.